What is a topical? We all have our go-to skincare products, whether it is a gel, serum, or cream. But did you know these are all topicals? Let us explore what that really means and why they are so effective. A topical is any product applied directly to the skin or body surface designed to deliver active ingredients. Whether targeting local effects such as hydration or barrier restoration, or even systemic effects. Unlike oral or injectable routes, topicals work precisely at the point of application. They can either stay on the skin for surface-level benefits, or be designed to penetrate deeper into the layers of the skin. But the skin's outer layer, the stratum corneum, is resilient. That is why an effective topical requires more than just quality ingredients. It needs a smart delivery system. At Cymbiotics, we design every formulation with dermal precision. Microscope, our proprietary FADD technology, accelerates dermal delivery. And Cetosome nano delivery enhances penetration and stability of active ingredients without causing irritation. So next time you apply a skincare product, remember, you're engaging in science-backed skincare designed to work. Follow Cymbiotics for more science that sinks in.